The Sauao family from Faleasiu had a total of 12 children contract measles. 11 of the kids, all under the age of 15, recovered, but the family lost their baby daughter, who was just 1 year old. Ailua Sauao is SVSG representative for Faleasiu. She's also a member of the family. She told Telefou that once their children began to show signs of measles, like having a high fever, they took the kids to the hospital. The family said they are still coming to terms with the death of Baby Vau, who died on the 30th of November. Since the outbreak was first confirmed over 2 months ago, the family's children became ill. One after the other, they realized that without seeking medical help, they could have lost all their children to this deadly disease. Ailua says many Samoan families turn to traditional healers. In so many cases, this has only wasted valuable time. The family said from their own experience, the measles is a disease that requires medical help from doctors qualified to treat deadly disease. Baby Vau was laid to rest at the family home in Faleasiu. Sauao says the experience and ordeal has left the family traumatized, yet determined to make sure they do everything to look after their children. Alisa Lawano for Telefou.